with an eloquent frame, being the ambition of many, where lies the University of Science and Technology, its main campus in Aden. The city of Aden, which has always been a cross-section of communication across civilizations, and a city of significant importance throughout the centuries. At the heart of the modern city of Aden is where the main branch of the University of Science and Technology is, a historical landmark that has always provided countless benefits to generations throughout history since being established, and has been built up on as a result of development, keeping up with all that is new in the field, and being the inspiration for meaningful knowledge and civilization of the renewed city of Aden. Connected with the University of Science and Technology is its several domineering centers. Being ranked as the top private university in Yemen, USTY actually ranks first among other universities in Yemen. It has been awarded with the Award of Outstanding Achievement in 2009 as the top university in Yemen. In 2011, the university obtained the Award of Creativity and Outstanding Achievement on the level of Arab universities. In addition to the first place in the evaluation of International Guide for Assessing Higher Education Institutions across the globe, the university has represented a significant transformation in the field of higher education in Yemen, leaving its mark within the region and offering its ongoing mission of 25 years of expertise. There are three main orientations and interests that serve higher education interests. At the top of these orientations comes education, and for the purpose of allowing for continuous development, the university constantly strives to fulfill the need for specialized and experienced staff in adapting the latest techniques and educational methods, in addition to providing the typical foundation for all faculties and programs of the university. The Faculty of Medicine and Health Science, which covers the field of medicine, pharmacy, dentistry, as well as medical laboratories. The Faculty of Computing and Engineering. The Faculty of Humanities and Administrative Sciences. The Faculty Electronic and Distance Learning. The Deanship of Postgraduate Studies and Scientific Research. Aside from its experienced management and ambitious will to become a leading institute, the university occupies a number of specialized faculties, which have allowed for the provision of the best version of education in Yemen by focusing on integrated learning methods, including its elements of theoretical knowledge as well as its practical implications. To achieve that, the university has welcomed experienced and specialized staff, in addition to its continuous effort to develop and update the teaching methods and curriculum, in accordance with the latest methods and the academic accreditation requirements in the respective field. The university has established its foundation, which accommodated for all standards of educational quality, and which promotes excellence in both applied and theoretical aspects of education, providing advanced scientific labs and training clinics within its different faculties. It has also given great attention to effectively prepare students for the workplace by establishing the university hospital and signing training agreements with several hospitals and institutions. Out of its purpose to offer educational opportunities to its students, the university has also adopted the latest electronic and distant learning methods to keep up with the constantly expanding methods of education and technology in offering high-quality knowledge and education. As such, the Faculty of Electronic and Distance Education includes all programs under the faculties of Humanities, Social, and Administrative Sciences. The second orientation of the university is scientific research, with great attention allocated to postgraduate programs of master's and doctorate degree programs, in presenting a substantial source in driving specialized staff in the fields of consultancy, education, and others. The university focuses its efforts on scientific research work and publication, with the university being credited with 5 well-known scientific journals, and with some of these journals taking lead in the Arab world in its respective field. The third orientation is community service, which underlies all scientific and research-related activities and related extracurricular activities being directed by the university to serve the community, as the welfare of the community is the main objective for which the university has been established and will continue its mission. In an effort to expand its benefits to reach all sectors of the community, the university has established different branches in a number of states with different specializations. As with this, the prospect of education becomes more attainable to the student and community services manifest on a wider level. Because the university is well versed on the important role performed by technical and professional staff with essential qualifications, the university has also established a number of applied faculties, allowing the establishment of a number of specialized consultation centers to serve students with aligning interests and provide future implications in the workplace and the modern life. Believing that the positive personality style represents the foundation for development, the university also strives to inspire comprehensively skilled figures from students and generations to come. And for that reason, the university has stood out among other universities in provision of skill development-based curriculums, as well as language learning, communication skills, and leadership and computer skills. The student, quality education, and community interest, a paradigm from which the university has begun its mission and to which it constantly reverts, and from which the university has established a strategic foundation to contribute for a better future and supporting the mission of education. And with this, it is a confirmation that USTY is the pathway for a better future.